How to get cotton blossom in grow a garden. I'll be telling you how to actually get cotton blossom in grow a garden. That's a brand new plant. It's the brand new plant and you can actually get it right now, and I'll be literally explaining to you how you would actually get this brand new cotton blossom plant in grow a garden. And if you don't actually know what I'm talking about, this is literally what I'm talking about, the cotton blossom plant. So once you actually join up grow a garden update, what you want to do is to go to the middle of the map. And if you do need a grapeseed, make sure to comment down below grapeseed. If you want a grapeseed, comment down below grapeseed, and I'll be gifting three grapeseeds to you guys, so you can actually have the brand new grapeseeds in grow a garden. So once you actually go to the middle of the map, this is where you can get the candy blossom, and it restocks just like the normal shop. So once you actually unlock the shop, which you have to turn in a bunch of golden plants in, you can actually get yourself the cotton blossom and you buy it from the store. And you have to first do this quest, so get yourself to grinding golden plants.